Learn how to save the design tool solutions in your MyFesto projects. Log in before starting the design to gain access to your MyFesto projects. Now start your design with the digital engineering tool. Not all tools support saving so far. This video shows the procedure with the electric motion sizing tool. After you have carried out your design and the tool has suggested solutions. Now select the desired solution. Now click on Save Solution to start the saving process. In the dialog, you now have the option of selecting an existing project or creating a new project. After selecting the desired project, the solution is saved in the project. In the project, you will now see the solution you have just saved under Engineering Tool Solutions. Products from the Solutions Parts list have been automatically added to the project. Via the Solution column, you can see in the product list from which solution a product has been added.